Hey everyone, great news to share as your dust containment processes have just become even more user-friendly with the introduction of this incredible new vacuum, the Bona DCS 50. We've all seen the world of floor sanding and finishing change dramatically over the past 10 to 15 years with new machines, new abrasives, new processes, new finishing systems, and the need for proper dust containment is more important now than ever before for getting the best results out of these new systems and for the health, safety, and happiness of you, your technicians, and your customers. But how much can a vacuum help? Well, we've made sure that you'll find the Bona DCS 50 to be such a compact, lightweight, effective, and incredibly versatile dust containment champion for you that we believe this vacuum is going to be your go-to DCS vac for 95% of the work on your jobs, or even 100%. Think about this. You can run it dry or wet. You've got a variety of filters and bags you can choose from to optimize it for each step of your process, or run it with no bag at all. It automatically cleans the filters, has an auto on-off outlet on board, and comes with all the accessories and adapters that you'll need to hook up just about any sanding machine or tool for any part of your process. So let's take a closer look at some of the key highlights. You'll first notice that the DCS 50 is very lightweight for a mid-sized vacuum, making it easy to take in and out of your work vehicle, as well as to maneuver around tight spots on your job sites. The non-marking wheels make it easier to take up and down stairs, while the front wheels lock to help keep the unit in place when needed. Add to that the numerous possible positions with the adjustable handle for both ergonomics and to save space during transportation, and you can see how user-friendly the DCS 50 is going to be before, during, and after all your jobs. But to be effective, we also need power, and as you can see, the DCS 50 has plenty of that, as well as dust capacity, so you and your team can spend more time sanding and less time changing bags. And yet, it's also one of our quietest dust containment vacuums, registering only 68 decibels during operation, yet it's easier on the ears too. As for filter and bag options, there are 3 different ways to optimize your DCS 50 for your preferred level of dust containment, with the highest safety and efficiency being when you run the PES pleated filter with the fleece filter bag, which qualifies the DCS 50 for M-Class and HEPA certification at 99.97% efficiency, and it's Green Guard certified for indoor air quality as well. Now, if you're in a less demanding dust containment situation, you can also use the candle filter and the disposable plastic bag, or you can use the candle filter with no bag at all. And let's not forget about the most ingenious new feature, the automatic filter cleaning system. You can set it to max, where it will reverse pulse clean the filters every 15 seconds. You can set it to min, where you get a cleaning cycle every 60 seconds, or you can set it to 1 when continuous suction is needed, like when you're simply vacuuming the floor or for wet operations with no filter cleaning. But the versatility doesn't stop there. Depending on which sanding machine you've got hooked up, you've also got controls to adjust and optimize the suction power for each sanding machine. Next comes the onboard automatic on-off outlet, which enables you to fully integrate your sanding machine and power tools with your vacuum, turning the vacuum on when the sanding machine turns on and staying on 15 seconds afterwards to finish cleaning up any residual dust. And hooking up your sanders and tools to your Bona DCS 50 couldn't be easier with all these great attachments and quick connect adapters. The large adapter fits most standard dust tubes like you'd find on your power drive, edgers, and table saws, while the standard adapter works great with tools like routers and random orbit sanders. And don't forget about the dry or wet containment options. Either way, the Bona DCS has you covered. Keep everything at your job sites clean and dust-free. So there you have it, a premium mid-sized dust containment powerhouse from Bona that is compact and lightweight, yet extremely effective and versatile. This will become your go-to all-around dust containment vacuum. So go out and get your Bona DCS 50 today and keep it all clean.